Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from every technology possible.
So what is up YouTube's audience? Now the voice you're hearing is from my camera. I'll quickly switch to my microphone. Now guys, the voice you're hearing is from the Mono mic, which has no filter attached to it. Now the voice you're hearing is from the Mono mic with sponge attached on it. Now I'm using the pop filter. So guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can edit your voice and make it hoarse in the software called Audacity. So let's move on to my laptop screen and I'll show you how you can do this. Guys, I'm using Wondershare Filmora 9 for recording my screen. If you want this software, link is in the description. So guys, now I have started my Audacity application. What you must do is go to File, click Open and select an audio from your computer. So as you can see, I have added my audio file. Now you listen to it once, then you will get to know about the noise. Hey guys, many of us have a low-end phone which can't run games on their... So guys, as you saw, there is a lot of background noise in my audio. Now what you must do is select this, press Ctrl+A, go to Effect and select Noise Reduction. Click Get Noise Profile. Again select Effect and apply this second option, Repeat Noise Reduction. Now I'll show you the difference. Now you will hear the difference. Hey guys, many of us have a low-end phone. Go to Compressor and press OK. देख सकते मेरे वॉइस में बहुत ज़्यादा उठाव चढ़ाव है. Now we have to make a voice hoarse. For doing this, what you must do is go to Effect, select Change Pitch and move this to the left side a bit and select Preview.
Hey guys, many of us have a low-end phone which can't run.
Did you see the change?
Hey guys, many of us have a low-end phone which can't run games on their highest settings. But guys, today
If you want this video, link is in the description. It was all about how to run PUBG Mobile on the highest graphics. If you are interested, do watch this video. Now if you want to export this, go to File and select Export. And you must select this as WAV file. Guys, if you have seen my channel first time, then do subscribe because I keep uploading videos related to science and technology. So that is all for today guys. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.